I'm Mark.
I'm Phil.
And I'm Paul. And we're the Pitfire Boys.
And when we're not at Bunnings, we're in a haze of blue smoke cooking up a storm.
And we're going to show you everything you need to start smoking. If you love an eye fillet as much as I do, well, I'm going to show you how to reverse sear one. All you need is an eye fillet, some salt and some oil. Get your eye fillet, take the silver skin off the outside of the fillet, and then rub it with salt and oil and place on the top rack of the barrel smoker. So leave it there until the internal temperature reaches 58, and that'll give you a medium cooked steak, and it'll be around 35 to 40 minutes. Remove your eye fillet from your top rack and place onto your grilling racks for 5 minutes each side. Take your eye fillet off your grill racks, let it rest for 15 minutes so it's nice and juicy and tender. Now it's rested, it's time to get into it.